morning, Vicky here with you, and today I want to do a Chalkola video. Told you guys when I showed you the markers in the first place that I had some ideas for them, and this is one of the ideas that I had. So I went to the thrift store and I found these two little things for candles, and they were $1.99, so for the two of them, so very cheap. And then what I thought would be really fun is to make our own little decoration. So for example, for Valentine's Day, you could use this to make little hearts, and then you can make them as big or as small as you want, and it actually works quite well with the glass. Now, don't forget guys, there's still a giveaway, so check out my first video and to find out how to participate. Well, actually I'm going to put it down in the description box below here as well. But yeah, I think these are really fun supplies to use. And what's fun is if you mess up, you can always wipe it off. So, no big deal. Right? And you can do anything you want. You can make them as big, as small. Just think it's such a great idea because you can make your own instead of having to go and purchase some, which I think is a lot cheaper. So this was my idea with this, but then I'm not finished, because often when you find them at the dollar store, there's some little blings on them, and I thought maybe we could bling it up as well. Let's bling it up. I'm trying to find some size that I'm going to be happy with and that it's not going to cost me a fortune, because some of these things are pretty expensive things. I would prefer to use the dollar store ones. My whole point is for you guys to make cheap. So I'm going through basically my big bin of different bling. Ah, here we go. I knew I had the cheap ones. So basically what I thought I could do is put a few here, there, and everywhere, so that it doesn't look like you made it. Well, obviously if your arts are better looking than mine and more opaque, it's probably gonna look better, but I think adding the little bling makes the difference between having them pop and having them just be ordinary. And you can put as many as you want, obviously. So here we go. I think it turns out really, really pretty. So this is one idea that I had. The other is to do a decoration as well, but I was thinking for Easter. So I'm pretty sure that you can imagine what I'm going to be doing. I just want to remove the little glue piece. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the bright colors and I'm going to draw a big egg, and then draw some lines. More lines. So like that. And then do an orange one. And this time around I'm going to do the small. My egg is all crooked, but it's okay. I'm sure you get the gist of what I'm trying to do. So hopefully you guys can see properly. And what I thought after, when this is dry, you could come in and color it like so. Now I don't think I want to do the full thing on camera, but I wanted you to have an idea of what it would look like. So let's do that, and then do the green here on the inside. And the more you put, obviously the more opaque it's going to be. See? Do this part. Try to avoid going over the orange, it's going to end up being brown. So this my eggs are always like upside down. I should hold it the other way. Maybe that would be better. And see how easy it is to wipe. So once the season is finished, then you can basically do, yeah, I should have done that before, except that I did it all crooked. Okay, so let's say like this, and then I don't know, this one is going to be polka dots, let's say, and I could do polka dots in yellow, and could finish here. Make sure to shake them well. It's coming out a bit funny. You get the idea. So I could go, let's try with purple. So see, do the purple here. And that's the type of idea I had. So, and like I said, once the holidays finish, you can just remove everything and start from scratch again. It's a blank canvas. So basically, your ideas is what you can do. And you could do on plastic as well if you don't want to play with glass. I think it's a really fun way to decorate and to make it personal and very inexpensive, because you only have to buy the set of crayons, and then you have them for a while and you can play with each season. So you don't have to purchase one of these special ones for each season, which is like a few bucks every time. So it adds up. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. Leave me comments down below what you think of my idea, and I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Bye, everyone.